Multimodal AI, a unified approach to learning and interaction. Multimodal AI is an innovative approach that allows artificial intelligence systems to process and interpret information from multiple sources, such as text, images, and audio, simultaneously. This ability to integrate and analyze diverse types of data enables AI to understand context more deeply and provide more accurate and relevant responses. In practical terms, multimodal AI can enhance various applications, from healthcare to customer service. For instance, in medicine, multimodal AI can combine patient records, medical images, and genetic information to provide more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. Multimodal AI is used to create interactive educational tools that offer dynamic learning. These tools feature AI tutors that engage with students through text, speech, and visuals, providing real-time responses to questions.